Hey, so we just got back from church and then we're gonna go hiking, so I'm just resting a little bit before we go hiking. But yeah. So hopefully this time it won't rain on us. So anyway, I'll see you when we get there. Let's do this one this time. Yeah, we're here. Second time trying to go. This time is not as cloudy, so. And look what we got. Our silly dogs that we half shaved. Come on, Cinnamon, come on. Here's Buttons. Wait, birthday today. This is Buttons' birthday. Happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday. Buttons.
Okay, let's go.
Button.
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 Go this way.
Button, look.
Go.
Button.
Button, go that way.
Let's go. Buttons wants to run.
Yeah, he does.
Look at him. He's such a active boy, even though he's so old.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Button.
Look at this. It's nice. It's not raining.
Yeah. So much nicer.
Just let him go. No, not you. I'm not gonna let you go. You always try to run away. This. On a bridge. No, don't go that way, Cinnamon. No. Don't you dare jump off. Look at this. So beautiful.
And one weekend they decided to go.
Look at this, guys. This.
This one said Cagley Park instead of Bagley.
Videoing the woodpecker.
Trail.
Oh, he's not in there. Old fart. Being grumpy.
Did you see he fell?
Yeah. Stop it, grumpy.
Cinnamon, come on.
You don't have to protect him.
Oh, it's leaking. What? Oh, I forgot to close it. It was leaking all over me.
Which one? Oh, that one.
No, Cinnamon.
better on their feet. Duh.
Come on, Cinnamon.
I know, Button. I know you're tired, buddy.
We reached the beginning.
Oh, look.
We did the back way.
This is where it turns into
The green belt.
the green belt. The
Let's go back.
It's open now, huh? You can do it or water that.
yeah.
You can. Take a picture of that. Look. Amazing.
What? What?
Take a picture of that.
Of
Not
what?
them, but the surrounding. What a way to go! Beautiful place.
Exit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, drink it. My socks. Gold. Let's go. Go. Don't touch anything. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. There's poison ivy. Oh yeah.
Our vlog. Look at this beautiful. Look at the river.
Don't forget to subscribe. That's what my mom said.
Idaho.
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 Don't forget to subscribe.
Click the buttons below.
Click the bell notifications. To get notified every single time I post a
I want
video.
the KKP to subscribe for this.
What? This.
Alright, there you go. Dad, let's pick up the hand. Pick up the doggy. Oh, that is beautiful. That's beautiful. Take a picture.
Cinnamon does not look comfortable.
Oh, okay. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna go put it. Okay, like
She still does not look comfortable.
here, she is right now.
No, she's
Okay.
not.
Dad, where's that? Oh yeah, that's the perfect one. Is that a video?
Yeah,
Okay, that was a picture.
I did. I did. I did a
Hello.
picture of
Is it
it.
video? Hi, people. Is it video?
Yes.
Okay, hi, people. Love it. Okay, look at this. Look at the thing. Look at the water. Nice, isn't it? Okay.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Why are you thumb down?
I mean, down below. Subscribe. Look at the water. You can swim. Enjoy.
That's pretty cool.
Whoa. What was that was in it?
Over there's a bird.
There's something that moved.
You see it? Is it inside the tree? With branches in there. Lost. He's still there.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Yeah, still there. On that side.